morning. I just got out of the shower and I'm watching, I'm about to make some breakfast and I'm watching the BLS course because I didn't do that. So I'm going to just watch this until I leave. It's only like 9:30 and I did get to like lesson 3, but there's 9. But I'm not leaving until 10:30, so I've got time. Okay, I just finished the videos. I'm supposed to leave in 10 minutes. And that's on being a procrastinating queen. My roommate just got here. We are gonna go together. So I think we might head out early. So I'll record what I can, but not sure how much footage I'll be able to get. So I finished the CPR, or my BLS certification really early. We didn't end up going to get lunch just because neither of us were hungry. It was just the 2 of us, so it went by really fast. I really want to bake some cookies, so I think I'm gonna make another coffee and then get to baking. I want to do some snickerdoodles. Sorry, I'm waking him up. I wanted to do some snickerdoodle cookies because that sounds so good, and I feel like I'm not in the holiday spirit, and I want to be, so we're gonna bake. I have everything assembled. Got my coffee, most important. So up first, we're gonna whip the butter with vanilla until it's light and fluffy. My butter's not softened, but we're just gonna try this anyway. I am impatient and I do not want to wait any longer. My butter is done. Next up, we add sugar. We are now all out of sugar. Then I add some brown sugar. Okay, I just added my 2 eggs, and I don't know how this recipe is gonna turn out because I feel like I'm adding things in such like a weird random order, but this recipe had a lot of good reviews, so I guess we'll see how it turns out. I'm also making a TikTok of me making these cookies, so if you don't follow me on TikTok, go follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'm going to stir this up because I feel like the flour is gonna kick everywhere. Keep it slow and steady for now, and then I'll add my 3rd cup in. So I feel like my mixture is a bit too dry because it all clumped up and is stuck in my whisk. I hope this doesn't turn out bad because I really wanted some cookies. Some cookies, a Christmas movie, some hot chocolate. That'll really get us into the Christmas spirit. I wonder if it's because I didn't let my butter like completely melt down. Okay, now I need to do my cinnamon sugar mixture, although I don't really have a lot of sugar left. Let's see how much sugar I can scrape out of here. Perform some surgery. I wonder if I could use brown sugar. Maybe I could do brown sugar, cinnamon. I think that's a pretty good amount of sugar. Yeah, that's a good amount. Now we add our cinnamon. I love snickerdoodle cookies. I used to make these all the time when I was in high school.
They're busting.
Ooh, I should put walnuts in it. I think I used to do that. I was just informed that we do not have walnuts. My sister's here in the audience. She's doing her nails while she's watching me. You know, now that we're like getting older, I feel like it doesn't feel like Christmas all the time, but doing these little things really like puts me in the Christmas spirit. It makes me feel holly jolly. Holly jolly. Okay, I am actually terrible at rolling like dough out. For some reason, I like never get a good shape feel like my cookies always come out weirdly shapen. Like I either make them, or I pretty much always make them like too big. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Oh, that's stuck in my head. Gotta get my TikTok. Oopsie, forgot I was recording. I'm being serious. No one watches my videos all the way through. Okay.
You should just do like really crazy things at the end of your videos so someone watches them and maybe like become a thing.
Comment. It's like when people say like comment a blah 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 if you've watched to the end.
Yeah, just like become a whole different person at the end of your videos.
Should I actually? What should I do?
I don't know.
It'd be so funny. Yeah, comment down below if you actually watch this video all the way through, because I've seen my my analytics and most people click out of the video before it gets this far in. So if you've stayed, you are a true one. I like you. I don't like anyone else. Just kidding. But seriously, thank you if you're still watching. I appreciate it.
I feel sorry for you. You should get a life.
You must not have anything better to do if you are sitting here watching my video, you know? My videos are pretty boring. Even when I'm editing them, I'm like, this is so boring. But you know what? It's my life. My life is pretty boring. I'm a pretty boring person. I do the same thing every day. I eat the same things every day. Everyone in my like family and friends like make fun of me about that. But
And I'm okay with it. I think it's an obsession that doesn't hurt anyone.
if you know, you know. If you watch TikToks, let me know. I feel like I reference TikTok so often in my life, and in my cohort, a lot of people don't have TikTok, and so like they won't understand, and I'm just like, gosh, like if you knew, you would know how funny that just was. But then like I'll say something and they'll just like look at me and they're like, what? Because like if you're not on TikTok, you have no idea what like the sounds mean, or like when you're saying something, it's like you sound stupid. So moral of the story, I'm trying to get everyone in my cohort on TikTok. I'm slowly doing it. I've gotten one girl from my cohort, and I even got my boyfriend on it, and he does not have social media. He thinks LinkedIn is a social media. Let's just take a moment of silence for that. But you know what? He's getting with the 21st century. He's getting with the times. He's finally realizing he's not an old man and that he can have a TikTok. So yeah, even he has joined onto TikTok. So next I need to get my roommate to get a TikTok. She still refuses. Her mom has TikTok and sends her TikToks. And she always says like, yeah, my mom's even on it. And I'm like, okay, so go on it, download it. She sends me memes from literally years and years and years ago that she finds on Instagram. And I'm just like, ha ha ha, because I feel bad to tell her like, I've seen this like years and years ago. Like this is so old at this point. But whatever, I'm slowly converting people. And that's my mission in life. My mission in life is to get people my age to download TikTok, because I'm not even that old, okay? I'm 24. If you're 24, you were still young. Instagram became a thing when we were in high school, so, you know, that makes me sound very old. I understand that and I hear that now, but social media was a thing when we were young. We grew up with it. Anyways, I feel like I'm rambling a lot. And my cookies are progressively getting bigger and bigger. This is my first one, and this is the one I just made. I told you I'm horrible at rolling my dough. Okay, now I'm in a dilemma because my hands are like so dirty, but I'm thirsty. Assistant? Assistant?
I know you were talking to me.
I'm talking to you. Can I get another baking sheet? My assistant is fired. She's not getting paid today. No Christmas gifts. Anyways, back to the it not feeling like Christmas thing. It's literally the 23rd today. December 23rd. And like, I haven't done anything Christmassy. I didn't even realize tomorrow's Christmas Eve. I haven't even really okay, not really. I have not Christmas shopped for anyone. And we're back. My assistant so kindly gave me my new sheet. But as I was saying, the only Christmas shopping that I have done this year is for our family. All of it, oh my gosh. Us kids, cousins, we do Secret Santa. And I got my Secret Santa stuff, and I didn't get my Secret Santa stuff until literally yesterday, December 22nd. And that's because the stuff that I was buying was just from Amazon. So I kept procrastinating, and then I was like, crap, I need to order it. Do you come here often? I just threw in my first batch, so I'll see you in 10 minutes. Please enjoy this brief intermission while our cookies are in the oven.